हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अगेन। बहुत दिन हो गए वीडियो बनाए हुए। एक्चुअली हमारा एग्ज़ाम चल रहा था तो वी वर लाइक लिटरली वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड। हमें पता नहीं था लिटरली आके इतना पढ़ना पड़ेगा। ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स रियली टफ। एंजॉय करने के लिए कुछ तो कुर्बानी देनी होनी है। सो आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम आई डिसाइडेड टू गेट अ प्रॉपर हेयर कट। काफ़ी बड़े हो रहे हैं बाल एंड it's not looking good now. So I decided to go to Tony and Guy. But as in India, we can just randomly go and get a haircut. But it seems like it's not the same in Italy. So I went there, Tony and Guy. And next thing that they told was that there is an appointment. But as मेरे पास appointment नहीं था, so I had to cancel my plan. I'll see what we can do. Me and my friends are thinking to go out because हमारे एग्जाम्स ओवर हुए हैं यार। एटलीस्ट थोड़ा तो घूमना बनता है। So there is change in plan and I will let you know you guys what is the change in plan. Okay. So as I told you earlier that we are planning to go somewhere for a little bit of refreshment. So me and my friends are waiting for the bus. Here they are. And, it's a villa that we are going. Villa Gigichi. It's something like Vighi. Villa Gigichi. I don't know. So we are heading towards the bus station to catch up with the bus. We have some tea, coffee and extra refreshments. So let's see how is it.
Letting go, yeah, it isn't easy. Too hard, so leave.
Paul, he's also a blogger. You can subscribe
We are
him.
going to Villa Ghigi.
वहाँ पे घी मिलता है.
Ghigi is a 17th century park. The park has an area of approx 28 hectares. It's quite a large park. So we will be exploring it, but don't know what the situation will be there.
So it seems he knows the history very well. I'm really bad at history. Visa tour guide. Obviously, I'm not a visa tour guide. I am also exploring Italy now. ये भी- So we have arrived here at our first stoppage. We need to change the bus from 11 to 52. So wait, I'll show you. So waiting for bus number 11, and here comes our ride. And I've got a bus.
Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your
The
feet.
route is in this way. We are waiting for bus number 52, and there are two buses which will bifurcate from this point. So we are standing now here at Farini, and we have to go to Villa Ghigi here. So we need to catch bus 52A, and then we'll reach here. It will take around like 15 to 20 minutes to reach over there. So it seems that bus is delayed by 15 minutes, and we are waiting here at the bus stop.
Moving away to the sea for a getaway. Car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we moving
Actually, it snowed like 2 to 3 days before in Bologna, and still we can see snow is here. I don't know why the temperature is 6 degrees and still we can see snow.
Stand on your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time.
Guys, somehow they managed to trek before me. So we are coming from there and we will go down there.
From this road, the hike starts. So this will go like slope below, and like approx 700 meters from here, there is the park entrance starts. So let's see. The air is really fresh. Like I have hiked up to San Luca and I have hiked up to some places above the hill, but this place is really insane. You should visit Villa Gigi.
Letting go, yeah, it isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking. Living the highs and lows, I'm keeping busy. Don't know if we're worth saving. Are we meant to be or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending?
It snowed here like 2 days back, but as this is like and above the quite above the sea level, like the altitude is more, so the snow hasn't melted completely.
Yeah, the relative temperature is very less as compared to the main Bologna town, right? So as the
Yes, that
temperature
is the
also,
reason. Here we can still find
boy.
snow.
Be careful, it's slippery here.
Yeah, it's still slippery. And today early morning the temperature was -1 degree Celsius. So still we can find the water. The water on the road is still frozen.
We are continuously walking. I don't know where we are heading to. I think we are heading to Villa, but I can't see any villa yet. Yeah, but the place is really nice.
Place is called Villa.
This place is called Villa. पता नहीं इनको पता ही नहीं है यहाँ विला होता क्या है. And
Just found a shortcut, so we won't go by this road, but we will take this shortcut. So let's try. So if we had to come by the road, we had to come like this, but we took a direct shortcut and we can see the snow. Woohoo!
Letting go, yeah, it isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking. Living the highs and lows, I'm keeping busy. Don't know if we're worth saving. Are we meant to be or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending?
it's nice. It's worth it that we climbed 2 kilometers, not more. Yeah, actually India में ज़्यादा नहीं होता 2 किलोमीटर, but yeah, Bologna में 2 kilometers too much.
200 किलो
पार करके तुमसे मिलने आ गए हैं, तुमसे मिलने आ गए.
Thank you for the shot. This guy has already made it to the top and I am waiting for mine. Okay guys, see you in next video. We really had a great time today. So bye. See you in next video. Ciao.